No.
Okay, so this is session 2 with Stephanie. Today we're doing the transformational coaching portion. Stephanie, yesterday when you did the quantum jumping, how did it feel?
I was doing it or right after?
Right after.
Felt pretty relaxed.
Yeah.
Felt mentally and physically really relaxed. I felt positive, calm, peaceful.
Was it awesome?
Yeah, it was. It was nice.
Yeah. Did you feel like any shifts might have happened in your mentality or anything?
Yeah. Like right after we did it, I obviously felt really positive, energetic. Energetic in the way like I was energetic to do stuff, go to work, put effort into work. So I was starting to work. I was thinking to myself like, this is just not just a job, but it's a stepping stone into like all the things that I want to do in life. How lucky and blessed I was, like meditating on how lucky and blessed I am to have everything that I have and everything that I don't.
So it's pretty awesome.
Yeah, being back at school, it's really good.
Yay! So you're taking some positive steps. What's one thing you want to change? It doesn't have to be what we talked about yesterday, but what's one goal that you are maybe struggling with getting done that you'd like to work on?
When there's so many things and you can just think of one.
Just pick one, because you could do them all.
Like a goal that I'm struggling, or like a goal that I want to.
A goal you want to accomplish, and maybe that you're just not, that you feel barriers a little bit. It could be fitness, school, it could be work, it could be starting your own career, it could be...
I think staying focused and concentrating, staying healthy. Not just like physically, but mentally, spiritually. So it's really hard for me to stay focused. I try to keep myself as busy as I can. You know, obviously I do homework, I do school, I'm at work. But I deal with a lot of anxiety too, and so it just makes it really hard to focus and make the best decisions. So I think I just want to be able to 3 years from now not just be able to accomplish a lot of things and have a better job, get a career, and be married, and everything that everybody wants, but feel healthy and be happy with myself.
As you do it, yeah. Okay, so this is a mini session. Typically, I'd let you go on and expand in a normal session, which we're going to do later, and we would expand out on that. And really, I would have a listening, and I would just let you just roll. Today, we're going to pick the staying focused and healthy. And so I want you to see 3 years from now what that would look like. I want you to, for a minute, we're not doing a quantum imprinting, just kind of visualize the end. What does it look like 3 years from now?
I see myself working with kids, whether I'm like a daycare or preschool teacher or just volunteering, doing stuff that I like, helping people out, like just adults and kids. Being able to fit that in my schedule and being able to know that being able to have enough, I don't know how to say this, be good and healthy enough so that I can help others, you know, and I see myself, I think, just like working with kids, whether it's at church or at a preschool or whatever, you know, having that part of my career established, going, I would see myself working more with that and working less maybe like at restaurants or at bars and stuff like that. I think I would still, I wouldn't probably be a waitress anymore, which is a good stepping stone right now and I'm enjoying it, but maybe 3 years from now I'm not going to be working there, or I am, I don't know. And just see myself happier, healthier.
Good.
Yeah, anxiety free, or at least half anxiety free.
So what I would do in that portion of the session is I would really have you clarify that down and really get it like you were already there. Okay. We would go through that, but that's a good start for today in this little mini session. What are a few strategies you could do now to get there? Come up with some ideas on feeling focused and staying healthy. What are a few things?
I think being able to sleep better. I don't think I have problem falling asleep. I think I have a problem with, because I'm always so anxious. So even maybe not all the time, but at the end of something, when I finish doing something, whether it's a workout or hanging out with my boyfriend or just like school or whatever, I feel like I always need something else, and a lot of times that something else will be that cause why I don't sleep. And I know that if I sleep better, I'll be able to focus at school, I'd feel better, I'd have more energy, I'd be able to think about more positive things and not just the negative stuff.
Okay.
So
let's stick with sleep better.
Yeah,
okay, normally I would have you strategize more than one thing and we come up with a whole mastermind idea, but let's stick with this today since it's a mini session. What is one or two things this week you can do to accomplish the goal of sleeping better?
Maybe take sequel. I don't know. Maybe not drink during the week.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, no drinking. Let's take that one thing then.
Okay.
Usually I'd have about 2 or 3 assignments. On a scale of 1 to 10, Monday through Friday, just during the week, how confident are you that you could not drink during the week? From 1 to 10, 10 being I'm really confident, 1 being no, not so much.
I think I'm like an 8.
Okay, an 8's good.
Really close, yeah.
So an 8's good. So next week I'm going to check in with you.
Okay.
And you're committing to no Monday to Friday drinking with me right now. That's your action step. That's your homework. That's your only homework. Pretty exciting. That's it. Okay? I'm going to check in with you next week, and when we do our real session, it won't be here, we'll follow up and we'll go a little deeper in our real session. And but I'll check in and see if you accomplish that goal. Okay. Because that's the only goal you have, to sleep better this week.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
So thank you, Stephanie.
Thank you.
I hope this worked really well for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.